welcome to my video vlog. Anyhow, I'm putting on a belt now. You cannot tell that I'm putting on my belt, but I am putting on my belt. Anyway, I got to drive a truck. That one video where I was driving the truck, that was like 40-some seconds or 30 that I cut off, the video that cuts off. Anyways, I drove that truck for a couple hours yesterday, and that was pretty fun. But that truck has a problem, and I only was able to go 65 pretty much the whole way I was driving, which sucked because I've driven that about 80. Yeah, laptop. As you see, I'm filming. Anyhow, let's go for a walk. I gotta lug this laptop with me. That's why. Oh yeah, you wanna see my you wanna see what I did? I'm doing drywall or sheetrocking. Well, I'm gonna sand it out and we're gonna paint it. You wanna see a kitty? You wanna see a little kitty cat? Kitty kitty. You see the little kitty kitty? These little eyes. Oh, look at the little kitty. Oh. Yes, it's a little cat. Anyway. I don't know. I'm just going to make this long. You should look at our grass. We don't have any way. We have a mower. It's a push mower. No way in hell we're going to be able to mow this. You should look at this. I put the screen back on the window. That's a crap load of grass. That grass is up to my waist. It is. Up to my waist. Hang on 1 second. Hold on. I'm going to put you here so you don't fall. There. Put you right there. So, how you doing? What's up? So, anything you want to talk about or anything, you know, just tell me. I'd like to try and figure out how to record the screen and, you know, yeah, record me at the same time. I'll figure it out. And maybe I'll play a game. You like my hair? You like how I'm on this side of the screen? Yeah, you do. You want to see some birds, don't you? You want to see some birds. There's some birds. Oh, look. Yeah. Look at the birds. Parakeets. These are Emily's parakeets. I don't know the name. There's Aries, and that's the only one that I know, really. Video thing, and then it'll actually be a little bit better. But I'm getting better at it. Anyway. Yep. Getting better at it. You can see the TV in the background. It's okay, cause guess what? You don't know where I live. You don't. You don't know where I live. You don't know where I live. You might know where I live. There. So, my job, you know, yeah, I'm gonna be on Facebook. My job, even though, hold on, I just got a message from my half sister saying right now I'm a nervous wreck. I'll reply to that, but, and, what? I don't know. What was I saying? You gotta remind me what I was saying. I don't know. I was gonna go on Facebook. Anyhow, what am I talking about? Nobody. You like the wall behind me? It's pink. It's so pretty. Yes, and yes. It's nice and pink. I don't know. You people. Yes, you people. You people. Y'all need to like my video, subscribe, post a comment, share my videos, people. And give me some damn ideas on how to do a video. I do videos all the time, but then I delete them sometimes. And they don't even get posted on Facebook. or YouTube. So, you need to give me an idea, and I will do it. And maybe sometime I'll do a live feed video. Yeah. Just a short one, like not even an hour, like 15 minutes, I don't know. Or Skype. Skype is good. Skype is really good. That would be great. So, do that and give me some damn ideas. That's it. Thank you. Also, that's the end of the video, so I don't know why you're still watching this, but you don't know. Anyhow, I have gotten things from friends online that say I kind of sound like PewDiePie. I don't know why. Well, I don't know. I've been doing this for a while. I'm actually not talking to you. I'm talking to myself when I talk to the camera. Because, let's face it, I don't care about you. Why would I? No, I'm just joking. Shut up, it's a joke. Or, you hear that? Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that. It's like a whistle, an alarm. It's going off right now. It is. It goes off at 12. And it goes off at 6. And it goes off at 7 in the morning. It's the tornado whistle. It's just doing it so you know what time it is. Because if you don't have a watch, then you hear that go off. Then you're like, what time is it? And then you know. And you're like, oh, it's 7. Or 12. Or 6. So yeah. Now you know. Because you didn't. Because you didn't have a watch. But now you do. But back to the goddamn situation. People have been saying, yeah, you sound like PewDiePie. I don't know. Maybe a little bit. So, anyhow. I don't try and sound like anyone. I just try to sound like myself. Thank you. Have a nice day. And, if I wanted to, I'd be like, you're a little bitch! Or I'd be like, sure! Or, call you Stefano. Yeah. Call you Stefano. Or, if I wanted to be Tobuscus. Oh, let's face I don't watch. I watch Tobuscus, but I don't watch him, like, that much. I mean, I do, but I don't. His trapped in commercial videos are funny. And, yeah. Finally, he gives his dog a voice. After, I don't know, and making a video of him. Yeah, that's good. But PewDiePie, yeah. I like PewDiePie better than Tobuscus, actually. Yeah. Tobuscus is for, like, teenagers. Or kids. Little kids. I mean, he's funny. But yeah. PewDiePie is fun as hell. He plays scary games. Ah! Like that. And, yeah. So I go for PewDiePie. PewDiePie? Yeah. PewDiePie.